Now today we'll be installing this 3-bulb bath fixture. Let's get right to it. Now in my case, I'm starting from a clean slate. I've already removed the old fixture. Of course the power is off and we're ready to install the new fixture. So the first step is taking the back plating and we'll align it where we want to have it on the wall. And I'll come in for a close-up in a moment so you can see precisely what I'm doing here. Now what I have is just a very, very small level to make sure this is right on the money. And you have 2 points where we need to drill. Okay, so another view, mark up those 2 holes, make sure everything's nice and level. Now the instructions state 2 holes need to be drilled right there, in our case 1/2 inch. So I'll start with a smaller drill first just to make these marks. 3/16 of an inch is what I'll start with, and then I'll just bump it up to 1/2 inch. And what I'll do as well is list all of the tools in the description box below. Now before we install the back plate, I just want to share something with you. Here, the reason why they are calling for a 1/2 inch size drill is because the kit includes these anchors. The point behind here is you place it through your drill point, you let go, and behind the sheetrock, this will hold the fixture firmly in place. On the left, however, when I made my drill, I struck the wood beam behind the wall. So I can't use this, which is perfectly fine. If you strike a beam, I'll just use a slightly larger fastener and just fasten it directly to the wood beam. Okay, and that will be perfectly secure. So now we're attaching the back plate. I have the anchor through the large hole, and then I have another fastener that I will insert into the small hole. And if you're curious, this fastener on the left, I chose a number 12 wood fastener. It is 1.5 inches in length. So now we're ready to install the fixture. So the white wire goes to white coming out of the wall, and black goes to black. This other wire you see here, that is the ground wire. So that goes to the ground wire to the fixture. So once again, white to white, black to black, and then these 2 studs that you see on the left and right fit right over the openings on the plate. And then we can finger tighten these 2 mounting screws, make sure everything is nice and level, and we're almost done. Now this kit allows you to have the bulbs facing down or facing up. It's up to you. It fits in the collar and you simply just snap them in place. And here we go. Perfect. And that's all it takes. It's quite simple. You can do it on your own. If you have an extra hand, it certainly helps, but really not a bad job at all. Thank you for watching.